Welcome to the Accelerated Cooking Products Culinary Center. I'm Food Applications Scientist Patty Reyes. In this video, I will go over features and programming of the MenuMaster Express MXP-22. This well-designed, high-speed combination oven delivers quick cooking without sacrificing food quality and superior taste. The MXP-22 features 2,200 watts of microwave power, 2,000 watts of convection, and 3,000 watts of infrared radiant heat. All this power means the MXP cooks 15 times faster than conventional ovens. Imagine faster ticket times, quicker table turns, and more profit. You might expect that kind of speed to use a lot of energy, but the average utility cost for the MXP is only $2.40 per day. Save money while making your operation more environmentally friendly. The cost savings of the MXP don't end there. Microwave energy is delivered from the sides of the oven cavity, so metal pans up to 1.5 inches tall can be used. Unlike competitor ovens, there's no need to invest in customized cookware. Save even more money by avoiding costly ventilation systems. The MXP meets health and safety requirements for ventless operation. Simply plug it in and start cooking. The MXP has 2 air filters that protect oven components from grease and food particles. They are located along the sides of the oven base pan. These easily slide out to be washed by hand or the ware washer. A reminder message will appear on the display every 7 days to clean the filters. Let the MXP tell your staff when to clean. The TL10 non-stick liners make cleaning the MXP simple too. Once installed in the oven cavity, just wipe them down with soapy water. No more scrubbing with harsh chemicals at the end of each shift. Refer to our video library at acpsolutions.com for more detail on how to install, replace, and care for the TL10 nonstick liners. Up to 360 food items can be saved in the MXP, which creates tremendous versatility. Cook anything with a touch of a button. The USB port located at the base of the keypad is compatible with standard flash drives. No special programming cards or accessories are necessary. Easily expand menus without extensive staff training. Everything from appetizers to desserts can be pre-programmed, ensuring consistent results every time. ACP is always ready to help. Every oven is supported by a culinary team of chefs and food scientists, like me, in our fully equipped commercial kitchen. The ACP culinary team provides support, including the information and assistance to customize programming. It can hold 360 food items, but how does it work? I will now install and use the ACP programming software to save menus to a standard flash drive and upload them to the MXP. Then, I will cover how to program the MXP without a flash drive, manual cooking, and how to access user options. To install the MXP programming software, go to the MXP-22 product page at acpsolutions.com. The file is titled USB Programming Software. Once the software is downloaded, it will appear on your desktop as ACP Remote Programming Interface. Open the program on your desktop and select New. A menu will appear on the left side of the page. There are 3 levels for each program. First, click and name the top level. For example, pizza. Then click on the second level and name the category of pizza. For example, single topping. Then click on the recipe level and name the kind of pizza. For example, cheese. Don't have 360 food items to add to the MXP? No problem. Smaller menus may only need to use 1 or 2 levels. To change menu levels, click on the User Options tab marked by the wrench symbol. Select the third option, Menu Setting. 3 options are listed for menu sizes: 10, 100, or 360 food items. Select the desired menu setting and click Save. Other user options like key beep volume and end of cycle signal can be changed in this menu as well. To go back to programming menu items, click the Menu Items tab. Now, begin programming the recipe on the main window. Choose the correct temperature using the up and down arrows. Next, select the time you would like the oven to cook in stage 1. As time is added in each stage, the total cook time will be displayed above the settings. Enter the amount of microwave, convection, and radiant energy desired for all stages. These are expressed as percentages. Continue entering settings throughout the grid until the programs are complete. When finished, click Save As, name the menu, and save it to the desktop. Every file needs to be named MXP.ACP. Naming the file anything else will prevent correct upload to the oven. Insert a flash drive into the computer. Click the Process button next to Save As and choose the MXP.ACP file. The Process button will save the file to the flash drive. Eject the flash drive from the computer. Now I'm ready to upload the settings to the oven. Beneath the keypad on the right bottom corner of the oven is the USB port. Insert the flash drive into the port. Once the flash drive is connected, press and hold the number 2 keypad to navigate to the user options. There are 2 options: transfer settings from the flash drive to the oven or from the oven to the flash drive. The box-like symbol on the screen represents the oven, and the key symbol represents the flash drive. The arrow indicates where the program will be saved. Select Flash Drive to Oven and push the program keypad or the book symbol. Data will begin transferring. When the oven is finished transferring, Done will display on the screen. It is very important to wait until the Done message appears. Removing the flash drive sooner will stop the program upload. Press the Start keypad to save the programs and the Stop keypad to eject the flash drive. To view recently uploaded settings, select the Program keypad and the right arrow key. Before I explain programming the oven without a flash drive, I'll go over the touchpad symbols on the oven from top to bottom. The first symbol is the on and off button. Like a computer, one button is used for both functions. Notice the symbol is the same one as the one on the computer too. Next, the Program keypad, represented by the book symbol. This pad is used to add, edit, and delete items. It also transfers data to and from a flash drive, as I just demonstrated. The hand symbol is used for manual programming. It's helpful to enter programs manually when experimenting with new food items that may not be saved to the oven. To the right of the manual cook pad is the thermometer symbol, which controls oven temperature. Temperature can be changed by using the number keypads or using the up and down arrow keys on the left side of the screen. The up and down arrow keys are also used to scroll through menu items. The forward and back arrow keys on the right side of the screen navigate the user to different programming screens, such as the main menu and program mode. These keys can also save and edit program names. This green keypad is used to start a cook cycle. When finished programming menu items and ready to cook, press the green Start keypad. The red keypad is used to stop or pause a cook cycle. Selecting the Stop keypad once will pause the cook cycle. Pressing the green Start keypad will resume the cook cycle. To permanently discontinue a cook cycle, press the red Stop pad twice. The number keypads are used to enter settings. The alphabet is also represented on these keypads. Use letters to name programs like texting on a flip phone. Push the keypad multiple times until the correct letter appears. The space function is under 0. Now, I'll explain how to program the MXP without a flash drive. Push the program pad, the book symbol. A screen with a check mark and an X will appear. Select the check mark to add or edit a menu item and the X to delete a menu item. Use the up and down arrow keys to highlight an existing program. Press the Enter keypad. Check marks at the top of the screen indicate edit mode. X's mean a menu item will be deleted. I'll add a program to the MXP, the same cheese pizza I programmed on the flash drive. Since my oven is set to 3 menu levels, I will name these levels. Use the up and down arrow keys to select an empty menu slot. Press the program pad to name the empty slot. I will name this level Pizza. Press Enter. Press the program pad to name this level. I will name this level Single Topping. Press Enter. Now I'm at the 3rd menu level. Name this level by pressing the program pad and name it Cheese. Press Enter. Now I'm on the recipe level. The up and down arrow keys navigate between settings within this screen. The first highlighted selection sets the oven temperature. Enter the desired temperature using the number pads. Navigate to the first column and enter the cooking time. Each row represents a cooking stage. Since I'm in the first row, I'm programming the first stage. Go to the next column to set the amount of microwave energy needed. Notice the parentheses symbols are used to indicate microwave energy. Use the number keypads to select 1 for 10%, 2 for 20%, and so forth. Pressing 0 twice will set microwave energy to 100%. Continue pressing the down button to fill in convection energy, represented by the fan symbol, and percentage of radiant heat, represented by the vertical wavy lines. If more stages are needed, continue pressing the up and down keys to move through the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th stages. Press the Enter pad to save the program. Continue adding, deleting, or editing menus from the program screen. When done, hit the back arrow until you reach the main menu. Press the Start keypad to begin cooking, or press Enter to save settings as a new program. User options can be changed on the oven as well as through the USB programming software. Use the On/Off key to turn the oven on, but do not preheat the oven. Press and hold the number 2 keypad for 5 seconds. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the 17 user options, changing them as desired. Refer to the MXP-22 Quick Start Guide or Owner's Manual for a list of user options. These documents can be found online at acpsolutions.com or on the literature flash drive included with each oven. The MXP produces wonderful roasted vegetables to complement entrees, top pizzas, or salads. I'm using the SQ10 pan accessory. This 13-inch by 13-inch square metal tray is ideal for high-volume operations. Since microwave energy is being fed from the sides of the cavity in the MXP, metal cookware up to 1.5 inches tall can be used in the oven. There's no need to invest in special cookware. I have prepped 2.5 pounds of fresh vegetables, zucchini, peppers, onions, mushrooms, which have been tossed with a 1/4 cup of olive oil and sea salt. Any fresh vegetable medley can be used as long as the particulates are approximately equal. My medley is going to cook in 2 minutes. I will use a program I previously entered in the oven. Okay. Notice the nice caramelization on the peppers and onions and the searing of the zucchini. The MXP can produce a pizzeria-style grilled professional pizza in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm using the DiGiorno Pizzeria Rising Crust Pizza for this demo. Notice the cheese caramelization. Notice the beautifully grilled, crispy crust with a uniform bottom. Another example of how the MXP will save time while maintaining food quality is the always popular baked potato. The customer will never know a regular oven wasn't used because the potato skin is crispy while the interior is moist and fluffy. The perfect baked potato guaranteed every time. Notice the evenly browned, crisp skin. Let's check the temperature, which should be approximately 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, culinary assistance is just a click away. The ACP Solutions website features online cooking guides and blogs with helpful tips and recipes. Or email me at the Culinary Center, testkitchen@acpsolutions.com. Thank you for visiting the ACP Culinary Center, where we're changing the way the world cooks.